Welcome, I'm Mike Ryan here in the Bee Cabin. I'm here today to tell you how to accelerate the trap's amazing performance and catch more bees. Best Bee Brothers has the world's best carpenter bee attractant with all natural bee pheromone inside. We often hear, I hung my trap up at 10 a.m. and by noon I didn't have any bees. This is normal. It takes a while for the bees to find your trap. We always tell customers, after you catch one bee, a lot more will come. Why is that? Because the dead bee releases a pheromone that attracts other bees. They think, this is a free home, and bees are lazy. So, our all-natural, delightful bee bait is packed full of bee pheromone. It will put off an odor that will attract bees faster. How do you use it? Just open up the trap and put a little bit inside. Wherever you can put a little dime-size amount will work, on the edge or bottom. It's that simple. On the pine trap, you can just take this out, smear a little bit on that bottom edge, okay? On our best bee trap, just open up this door. Put a little bit on the bottom of the door, a little bit on the side in there. That odor is going to circulate. This tube has enough pheromone to treat 10-12 traps easily. Super concentrated. To learn everything you need to know about getting rid of carpenter bees, go to bestbeebrothers.com. You can order traps and see all of our great products.